Among the many subtle ways cats communicate, one of the most mysterious and heartwarming is the slow blink. A cat will sit calmly, fix its gaze on a person, and then gently close its eyes halfway, pausing momentarily before opening them again. To the human observer, it might appear as mere drowsiness or a random movement. But in the feline world, this slow, deliberate blink carries a powerful message, one of trust, peace, and affection. The act of slow blinking in cats is often compared to a human smile. In feline social behavior, prolonged eye contact is usually seen as a threat or a challenge. Among cats, a direct stare can precede a fight or signal dominance. In contrast, when a cat allows its eyes to soften and close in the presence of another being, it's performing a gesture of profound vulnerability. By slowly blinking, a cat is essentially saying, "I am relaxed, I feel safe with you, and I do not perceive you as a threat." This subtle body language is part of the broader feline communication system that includes tail movement, ear position, vocalizations, and scent marking. Unlike dogs, who often use more overt gestures to show affection, cats rely on quieter, more nuanced signals. The slow blink stands out as one of the clearest nonverbal cues cats use to express emotional connection, especially with humans. The roots of this behavior likely lie in both evolution and early kitten development. Kittens learn much of their social behavior from their mothers and littermates. In these early interactions, facial expressions, body posture, and eye contact begin to form the basis of feline social etiquette. A mother cat may blink slowly at her kittens during nursing or grooming, reinforcing feelings of calm and security. As cats grow older, they retain these non-threatening signals and use them to navigate complex social dynamics. In the human-cat relationship, the slow blink serves as a bridge between species. Many cat owners intuitively respond to their cats with similar expressions, soft eyes, calm faces, and gentle movements. Cats, in turn, begin to associate these expressions with positive experiences. Over time, the slow blink becomes a reciprocal exchange. When a cat blinks slowly at a person and the person returns the gesture, the cat often repeats it, reinforcing the bond. Some cats may even approach or rub against the person afterward, indicating that the gesture has been understood and appreciated. Scientific studies have supported the idea that slow blinking is a form of interspecies communication. Research has shown that cats are more likely to approach a person who slow blinks at them than one who maintains a neutral or direct stare. In experiments, cats responded more positively to humans who initiated slow blinking, suggesting that they interpret the gesture as friendly and reassuring. This behavior is not merely anecdotal. It is rooted in the cat's ability to read subtle cues and respond to emotional signals. Beyond affection, slow blinking can also indicate a state of contentment. A cat that is comfortable in its environment, free of stress, and physically well is more likely to display slow blinking as part of its body language. In contrast, cats that are fearful, ill, or anxious tend to keep their eyes wide open and alert, constantly scanning for danger. Thus, a slow blink can also be interpreted as a signal that the cat feels emotionally and physically secure. There is also a spiritual or symbolic dimension that some people attribute to the feline slow blink. In cultures that revere cats, such as those of ancient Egypt or parts of East Asia, the cat's gaze has often been associated with mystery, inner peace, or divine connection. The slow blink, in this light, becomes a moment of shared stillness, a silent gesture that transcends language. From a behavioral standpoint, slow blinking can also be a way for cats to diffuse tension or avoid conflict. In a multi-cat household or when encountering new people, a cat might use slow blinking to signal peaceful intentions. It's a way of saying, "I mean no harm," and encouraging a non-threatening interaction. In this sense, the slow blink is both a social tool and an emotional expression. For humans who live with cats, recognizing and responding to the slow blink can deepen the human-animal bond. By returning the gesture, relaxing the eyes, blinking slowly, and avoiding sudden movements, a person can communicate back in the cat's own language. This mutual exchange can build trust, especially with shy or newly adopted cats who are still adjusting to their surroundings. Over time, slow blinking can become part of a daily ritual of connection, much like petting or vocal interaction. It's important to note that not all cats slow blink, or they may do so less obviously. Each cat has its own personality, and some are more expressive than others. Factors such as breed, past experiences, and environment can influence how a cat chooses to communicate. However, even a subtle narrowing of the eyes or a relaxed gaze can carry the same meaning as a pronounced slow blink. The slow blink is one of the most beautiful examples of the quiet language cats use to express themselves. Far from being a random flicker of the eyelids, it is a gesture laden with emotion, memory, and intent. It speaks of trust without words, of a bond formed not through commands or obedience, but through mutual respect and shared presence. When a cat blinks slowly at its owner, it is offering a moment of peace, a silent, graceful declaration: I am calm. I am safe. I trust you. And in the soft return of that blink, a powerful connection is affirmed.